Otis Up.
Otis Up. Funny name, awesome ab exercise. What you want to do to perform this exercise is you're going to be lying flat on the floor. You're going to be bending at the knees so that way your heels come closer to your body. And you can either tuck your feet under something to support you, or you can just do them flat on the floor. And what you want to do is roll your back up and reach high as you can to the top position, straightening out your upper body, and then flex the back, rolling it back down to the bottom position so you're lying flat on the ground. If you want to make this exercise a little bit harder and add a little bit weight to it, what you're going to be doing is holding a 25 pound plate up straight in your arms and then doing the same kind of motion, reaching up into the sky, flexing the back, and then slowly letting it down to the bottom position. Now what you got to remember in this exercise, don't keep the spine straight. You want to flex the spine so that way you're rolling it up, incorporating more of the abs and less in the hip flexors, and less also in the erector spinae. So if you do it right, you're going to feel that nice tight burn in those abs, and you're going to look damn good doing it. Otis Ups.